Hi friends, welcome. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping in. I'm Lorenda and welcome to my channel. If you haven't already done so, please hit the subscribe button. I'd love to have you as a subby friend. And if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. It's so nice to see you guys today. Thank you so much for being here. And I'm excited because I have a really good Dollar Tree haul. So they are bringing in their summer products, and last year they had some really cute summer stuff starting to come out, and they're adding to it this year. Now, some of this, I mean, if it was out last year, it didn't come to my stores. So I'm really excited to share it with you. And then also I have some name brand like bath products. Okay. So let's see, this is my little Walmart package here with some color for my grays. You don't need to see that, because let me tell you, that gray comes quick. All right, so I love these. And if you see my videos on like my AliExpress hauls and stuff, you know I need lots of these little containers. These are great for, you know, just sorting out my little products in that I use for different craft supplies. So I like these. So I got 2 more of those. I probably need more. And I want to sort of keep the stuff that I'm talking about sort of separate as far as like the new product stuff. So I'm going to try and separate it out if I can. All right, so these little sticky notes, look how cute these are. Boom. And so I was thinking, like, you know, even though it has this, you know, sort of written up here on it, I could probably do something with this over it and then use my, you know, my Cricut to like put a name or, you know, do something cute on it. But these are really pretty. And then there's this one. And again, how nice is that? And this is just like a nice little thing to have like in your purse, you know, on your person, you know, just for, you know, when you need to write something down. Super cute. And then how cute is this? So this, now I was thinking that this would be super cute. Like if you're doing, you know, like a gift for somebody. And so I'm going to save this. And like, I figured I could put like a name around it, and it would be really cute to like put on a present, right? Isn't that cute? Super cute, really pretty. And this brand has recently come to the Dollar Tree. Like it is a Greenbrier product. So it's out of their warehouse, but this brand I've been, you know, picking up for a few months now, and they have some really cute stickers. All right, so the cat is the dog is antagonizing the cat. So, but the cat also antagonizes the dog. So sorry for the loudness. And that's the little puppy, the 12-week-old. So I took her to the vet the other day. She is 15 pounds. Reese is 75 pounds already. Can you believe it? These colors in here are so pretty. I gave Raina a whimsy, so hopefully that will make her be quiet and stop barking at the kitty. And the kitty's over there growling at her. So there's those. So yeah, these are really pretty. So I was glad to pick those up. And then I love these little wood pieces. They make such great like badge reels and pop sockets and, you know, like these little fruits and pineapples. I thought I'd be able to do a lot with them. So super cute. I like those. And then look at this. Isn't that funny? So cute. And I was thinking the same thing, like, you know, because honestly, like, what am I going to do with that? But I was like, oh, you know, well, of course, if I was a kid, like this would be cute on a notebook. But, you know, I was thinking on a package or, you know, like even for my niece, like for school, like when she goes back to school, on a notebook, you can put her name on it, like super cute, right? And these are so pretty, like I couldn't pass them up. Look how bright and nice they are. So I know there will be a time that I'll be happy to have these. So I have a bunch of these that I bought before, and I went ahead and decided to pick these ones up. And I've got some hearts. So these are all 6 pieces, and they're like laser cut pieces of wood. But what I have found, like these make really cute badge reels and pop sockets, just so you know. And like you can put, so I like to put like resin in the openings of them. You put like a piece of tape on the back side so it doesn't go anywhere. And these are really cute. I need to do a video, honestly, and show you what I'm talking about, but these work really, really good for that. And these are just super cute. And then I thought these were nice. And again, these, I plan on making some badge reels and pop sockets out of these because just look how pretty those are. Super nice, right? I don't really have a plan for these, but I just thought that they were really pretty. Again, same, I thought that was cute, the tacos and Tabasco and stuff. Oh, and here's some more. I thought I had a second thing of this confetti. So here's the other one. Like this. And then there. So really pretty. The colors are just super nice. Now, you know, I like to get napkins. So if you haven't seen it, I did a video to show you how I easily use the napkins for decoupage on wood. So I like to pick up, every time I find pretty napkins, I pick them up just to have them for when I need them. Because, you know, sometimes it's like you want it and you can't find it. And so this is, it's Femme Couture Brow Building Powder. So it's just a brow powder. And I thought this was really cute. I mean, it's not really summertime. I'll probably put it away for like fall. But how cute is that? All right, so I found all of this products here. So these are from, they're made, it's a USA distributor, manufactured in United Arab Emirates. It's and they're distributed out of San Antonio, and it's this EAD product. So that it's body wash, and let me tell you, like this one's called Another Day in Paradise, and it smells super good, really good. And then this one is Love You Like Crazy. They smell really, really good. And then this one is called Dancing in the Rain. Smells really good. Okay, so this is Body Wash by Biologe. How about that? Well, first of all, Biologe is such a good product. I was so surprised to find it at the Dollar Tree, and for $1.25. And I didn't know that they made body wash. So I got 2 of those. And then this is, again, that Femme Couture. And this is like a lip luster, but the color is just really, really pretty. And then same brand, but these are eyeliners. And if you can see, they're like sparkly green and brown. I thought my niece would like those. And then some more stickers. I've hauled these before, but I'll need these for 4th of July project making. And then these are cute, so I thought these would be great for like badge reels, pop sockets, etc. I love these rub-on transfers. These are just really nice. And these are also some rub-on transfers. And then same with this, but I just really like those. Look how pretty. Little feathers. I got 2 of those. It's like this little boho print. Super nice. And then some pink ones. You know, I pick these up all the time. And then I got this for my grandsons. They love this stuff. I get it at Target a lot of times. So since they had it, I think it's actually probably cheaper at Target. I think it's still $1 at Target. But anyways, it's the Crayola. And this is the Bathtime finger paint. So those are for my grandkids. They were actually supposed to go in their Easter baskets, and to be honest with you, I forgot to bring them their Easter baskets. But I'd already gotten them some Easter toys that I gave to them, and they got like so much stuff. My brother and sister-in-law brought them Easter baskets. Mom and dad, like, they got lots of Easter stuff. So, all right, so this is the summertime stuff, and it's Shore Living. So these are like little nautical pins. So these are just little, not clothes. Yeah, clothespins, I guess, with the little starfish on them. But how cute. And then this one is the little seahorses. And I figured, like, you could take these apart and use them for, you know, different things, right? If you want to. And then look at these. So these, I'll pull one out of the package. So there's the starfish. Let me open this package. So look how cute these are. These are so cute. So you could do so much with these. Like, you could use these, of course, as is, you know, or you could do different little DIYs with them. And I was even thinking, like, you could use these and make like little keychains even, you know, like this way. Like, there's so much you could do with these. So, but anyways, these are so cute. So I got 2 of the anchors. I would have got more of the little starfish, but they only had 1 pack. And then this one's like a little sailboat. So these were, I thought this was super, super cute. And this, again, I don't think they had it last year. Like, I'm pretty sure it's new for that line. Okay, so these, I think they did have last year. And I like to pick these up. I use them for like my craft table and stuff. So I got 2 of these. And then this, look how cute this is. So figured I'd be able to do something kind of fun with these. Aren't those nice? And they had some different, you know, different ones. I like these little octopus. And then just some little wood dolphins. Cute. Some whales. Some little turtles. And then some small turtles. And I thought I got 2 of these, but look at this craft rope. Really pretty. It's that navy and twine color. Super pretty. And then, how cute are these? Look at this. Adorable, right? So this is all part of that new summer collection, like beachy collection. And then some All May face wipes. I thought that was a good deal too. So, and then, oh, and my little trash can for my car. I've been looking for this bad boy. Like, I've seen so many people call it and I've never found it. For years I've been looking for this, so I'm so happy to find it, to go like in my cup holder and little trash. So, all right, well listen, that's it. That is my entire haul. And like, I think these and like these, like this stuff here, this is my favorite. So cute, right? And then even like the twine with it too, like, look how cute this stuff is. Like, so cute, right? Love this stuff. All right, listen, I hope it was helpful. I hope you guys have a blessed and beautiful day, and I'll see you later, friends. Bye.